Peach Cop here, and I will be showing you guys some fireworks.
No, I got it.
Alright, here are the fireworks we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing
Saturn missiles.
Yes. Those frog things.
Whatever the hell these
I don't
things are
remember
called.
those. And we'll be doing
The clown.
awesomeness. Eyes in you, I think, is what they're called. A little fountain.
This one's not a fountain. This is aerials.
Oh.
Oh, that farted.
The ladybug. I'm recording the recorder. And ladybugs. So yeah, we will be doing like a lot of things. People have been doing fireworks yeah. Okay. So they're getting the fireworks ready. Sorry if it's kind of noisy because some people are doing some fireworks too. It's not just us, so we got like a lot of big fireworks right now. So yeah.
Oh, you should save the Saturn missiles for last.
So like when the fireworks come in, I'm gonna try to get. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
These are my favorite.
Oh snap! Oh jeez. Yeah, that's firework run number 1 for you. We're gonna do firework. Do you want me to light this one, Drew?
You can light this one.
Okay, I'll come over. Okay. I'm kind of scared, so I'm just gonna
You're
freaking.
going to light this one.
Oh God.
Oh, there you go. You lit it.
Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Snappy. Warning, this may be loud, just saying. So all you people that are that are doing the headphones, just
Alright, Cord, you get to
turn
light
down
this
your.
one.
Yeah, I get to light the clown. Oh, it's a clown.
Okay.
Look at all that smoke.
I can't get it. It's kind of hard to.
Oh my God.
That did not.
Sit back and relax. It could be loud.
Yeah, warning. You guys might want to put the when you have headphones. Sorry about not warning you.
Fast to where I thought that it was gonna hit me.
We're gonna do other video. So yeah, Bro Sniper is gonna be doing his. It's the clown one.
Hey, what? Hey, give me that. No, don't touch me with it.
Him and his big brother. All right, let's do this.
Oh wow! Oh, there he goes. Ooh. What if it lights all of them?
It's like so pretty. Oh, now it's clicking.
I told you guys it's a dark video, but then it's gonna turn really bright.
Sorry, Bro Sniper's videotaping
Isn't it
too, so
amazing?
you can have my video. So like, if you hear him talking, he's doing this for his subscribers. But yeah.
Uh-oh.
His is
Is this
bigger
supposed to come
screen.
out of all of them?
Oh, the clown's face was glowing.
It's not done. Hold on. Don't go any further.
The clown's face is glowing.
If it does, then it'll light the other one.
The clown's face is glowing. That's just funny.
That is weird.
No, that's funny.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, there you go.
Okay, wait for Mom to get back.
Alright, so that was the fireworks so far. So all you people that are wearing headphones, please lower your volume. This is probably like really loud. So
I was standing right here.
them two are fighting right now. You two quit fighting. That's that.
We're not fighting.
Quit fighting.
We're not.
I paused my video.
I didn't pause it. Alright, here we go.
So we're back again.
Wait! Move, Cypher, move! Alright, here we go. Sorry if I'm not so close. I don't want to burn myself or anything. Hold up. It's another fountain. I hope it's not as loud. I hope it's not as loud.
Oh, nope, it's loud.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's doing that again. I think I am deaf right now. I don't get how Chinese people can do such a thing. This is like amazing. It's like bursting in colors. I know, right? Okay, that's done.
It's done now.
Oh my gosh. I'm like deaf right now. I can barely hear. Look at all that smoke. Jeez. Yeah, that's the worst part about fountains. Oh, ladybug. Here we go.
Oh, this
stand
one
back.
just shoots up in the air. Pretty sure. Oh, please don't hit me. Please don't hit me.
And it's falling and it shoots.
We'll have to remember to go get that one.
I'm scared of it hitting me. I'm like scared of the ladybugs because I'm scared they're going to hit me, so.
That was it. Did you guys set up any of your mortars yet?
Not yet.
Here we go. Where'd it go? I have no idea where that one went. Alright, and this next ladybug. I'm scared of those things because I'm scared they're going to hit me. I don't know why. Oh, that one's slow. Back up. And bam.
You got one?
The fountains are really noisy. I'm sorry about that, guys. If your volume's all the way up, you should probably turn it down. Just saying.
Here, you might want to. Ready?
Oh God. Ooh, it's so pretty. It just slided one. Are you serious? Oh, I see. It's like this packaging kind. Next one. It's orange.
I like it.
It's orange. Look at all that smoke. Oh my God. Oh, jeez. Oh, it's so beautiful. Yeah, we paid at least $70 on all of these fireworks. Yeah, that's pretty much a lot for fireworks.
Come on.
But since we're going everywhere and everything, I guess. Whee! Oh my God, it's all red and beautiful. No, it's all.
What are you doing? Driving out looking pretty?
You're in my way.
Oh, it's my dad's friend. My dad's a cop, so he's friends with a lot. Ooh, pretty. My dad's friends with a lot of cops, so. No, we're not in trouble, guys. He's just hanging with his friend. Oh God, red lights. Go sniper smile for the camera. No, I'm just kidding. I'm taking a picture.
I don't have enough storage.
But anyways, oh crap, smoke. Yeah, my dad's friends is cops, and I think that is all of the fireworks. I'm guessing it is. Drew Cobb? So I'm guessing.
Hey, go near those fireworks. Those are mine. Stay away.
Are we doing any other fireworks?
Yes.
Which ones are we doing next?
Do this one next. But
Which one?
this one.
That one. The explosion. Does that blow up or something like that?
These are the ones we've been shooting in the air.
Oh. You're not done with them?
No.
How much of
There's
them?
boxes over there.
Okay, yeah, that's a
We
lot.
still got, for that one, we still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 left. And then for that one, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 left.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I hope I have enough time for that. Or else I'd have to cut the video and then you guys would miss out because I have a time limit. And I can only go for 15 minutes and something seconds. I can't go over 15 seconds. I mean 15 minutes, not seconds. I can't go over 15 minutes. Because if I do, then I won't be able to upload the videos. Yeah, that really sucks. So, look at my little pretty town. Lights everywhere. So, yeah. So, yeah. If they'll stop jibber jabbering, we can get going with the other fireworks, but I guess not. So, guys, I probably are going to have to cut the video because, okay, I'll get back to you guys. I'll make a part 2 of fireworks, okay? And, yeah, I'll meet you guys there because they won't stop jibber jabbering. So, wait, they're lighting them again. Never mind. I was going to cut them, but guess not. Guys, doing the other one?
Just one more.
Okay. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's purple. Guys, I love the color purple.
Okay, we done. We gotta wait for that too.
So you guys are done for now?
Huh?
Are you guys done?
Save it.
Are you guys done, Drew?
Yeah, because that's quit at 10.
What?
Quit at 10.
Oh, that sucks. Well, that was my video. Peace out, guys, and see you later.